follow me. Follow me. All she care about is a following. Follow me. Shit, follow me. Go ahead and follow me. All we ever care about is a following.
Guys, I have this laptop and it is currently hooked up to the internet. You can see the Wi-Fi bars here. I am not getting any internet whatsoever, so this is the Internet Explorer, and also we have Firefox here. So let me go type in google.com. We are not getting any internet whatsoever, so I'm going to show you how we can fix this issue. You want to go to control panel, you want to go by view by, and you want to choose small icons. Then you want to go to internet options. You can see it right there. Then you want to go to advanced, and then you want to close the internet browser. Then you want to reset the settings here, both advanced setting and also for your browser. So everything is deleted. Also, you want to go to network and sharing center here. You want to go to change adapter settings. Then you want to select your Wi-Fi connection. You want to go to properties. Then you want to click Internet Protocol version 4. Then you click properties. You want to ensure that your settings are on obtain an IP address automatically. Then you click obtain DNS server address automatically as well. Then you click enter, you click OK, then you close this. Let's try open the browser to see if we are getting any connection. We are currently getting 3 bars here. So I open Firefox and also Internet Explorer. We are getting internet from Internet Explorer. So I want to go to google.com, right guys? I believe that this Explorer will want to update as well. So let me type in Google. It is actually working. Firefox is not responding, so we will definitely have to uninstall and reinstall the Firefox. So let me head over to uninstall or change a program. So I'm looking for the Fox. It should be right not too far from here. So it's right here, and let me go ahead and uninstall. We are going to install a fresh version of Firefox. So we are going to run. So we are going to install the Firefox. So it's finished. Let's open Firefox. So you can see that Firefox is working. Let me go to google.com. So everything is working, guys. Like, share, subscribe. My name